Higit 500 milyong piso. Ganito na kalaki ang bilang ng pinsalang natamo ng agri-fishery sector sa probinsya ng Pangasinan. Dulot yan ng halos isang bang tuloy-tuloy na buhos ng ulan.
So as of August 21, Your Honor, we have a total area planted for rice of about 137,362 hectares. Still, for our target for the wet cropping season, Your Honor, we are still to plant, Your Honor, about 50,000 hectares up to September 15, Your Honor. So yun po yung extent of damages caused by the heavy downpour, the heavy flooding that devastated the province of Pangasinan.
Sa bilang na ito, pinaka-naapektuhan ang rice sector. Karamihan kasi ng mga sakahan ang nalubog sa tubig. Sa tala ng Office of the Provincial Agriculturist Office o OPAG, lumalabas na higit 9,800 hectares ang sakahan ang nasira. Apektado rito ang 11,700 na mga magsasaka.
We have incurred about 4,000 hectares totally damaged for rice. And for this, Your Honor, we are closely coordinating with the Department of Agriculture because we have the buffer stock of palay seeds for our farmers that will incur yung heavy damages for their crops. And also for corn, meron pong naka-ready na mga buffer stock po. And also for vegetables, Your Honor.
Patuloy namang nakamonitor ang OPAG para matiyak na hindi napadapain pa ang industriyang isa sa bumubuhay sa probinsya ng Pangasinan. Jose Robert Inventor, RNG News.